Question 14. The time in minutes it takes to travel by road between 6 towns is recorded and shown in the network diagram below. In this network, the shortest path corresponds to the minimum travel time. What is the minimum travel time between towns A and F, and what is the corresponding path? So we want to get from A to F. Now, this is a lot of this network, you can only go down one path. To get to D, you can only go A to B to C to D, right? And then after D, you have two options. You can either go up to E and go down to F, or you can go straight from D to F, which is 14. So we have to choose whichever path is shorter. So if we go 8 plus 5, that's 13 to go down this path, as opposed to 14 that goes directly to F. So actually, the shortest path or travel time is to include E in our path, and then we just have to add all these up. So 15 plus 20 plus 10 plus 5 plus 8, and that equals 58. And the path is A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, for part B, it says new roads are built to connect a town G to towns A and D. The table gives the times it takes to travel by the new roads. So A to G takes 8 minutes and G to D takes 22 minutes. Part B says add the new roads and times to the network diagram below. So A to G, we'll draw a line that connects them. That takes 8 minutes. And then G to D takes 22 minutes. And part C, it says explain whether the path in part A is still the shortest path from A to F after the new roads are added. So basically we have to compare whether going up from A to B to C to D is faster or takes longer compared to going from A to G to D. So we can just add these paths up. So firstly, A to B to C to D. Let's add that. So path A, B, C, D equals 15 plus 20 plus 10. So 20 and 10 is 30, plus another 10, 40, plus another 5, 45 minutes. And then path A, G, D equals 8 plus 22. This is 30. So therefore, path A, G, D is the new shortest path. And that's your answer.